This video is just intended to be a bit of fun, nothing serious, because I've got an injector pump here that's been run on vegetable oil and never been purged out. Let's have a look. As it's a bit quiet today, I've got a job to do later but it hasn't come in yet, so I thought to myself, let's have a look at some of these injector pumps. You know, I've got loads of them, so I'm just sort of taking them to bits and cleaning them up and putting them all back together again. Now, I haven't taken the top off yet, I'm still in the process of doing it. But I just wanted to have a look at this one, because I think this one's, well, a bit of a mess. Let's see if we can get that shaft off. Oh my goodness gracious me. Look at that. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. This is veg oil. Wait a minute, let's get this camera off. State of that. Oh my goodness gracious me, it looks like we're going to have to get the brake fluid out, the clean. Look at that, it is absolutely gummed up rotten. Look, the springs aren't even moving. Isn't that horrible? Come out or else. Dear me. Anyway, I'm going to pull this to bits and we'll have a look at a little bit more of it inside. Now I've got the governor out, it looks like this is going to be a bit of a challenge. That's very, very, how do we say, sticky. I'm going to take the, stripped down this, oh wait a minute, it might come out. Poo everywhere, oh no. Oh my goodness gracious me, look at that. Oh my god, how am I going to clean that out? Look at the filth. It's like toffee. How this actually ran, I do not know. Well, we're going to have to do quite a bit of cleaning on this one. Let's get it all stripped down and have a look. I've put the pump in the parts washer because there's a pin I can't get out yet. And well, let's have a zoom in and see. Pretty bad, isn't it? Even I don't think I could get this to go, but you know something, you see a lot of videos on YouTube of people restoring hammers and things like that. It'd be amazing if we could get this to go. Let's see if the parts, oh no, it's just, even that's not, the parts washer fluid isn't, look at it. Horrible. Look at it, it's just a congealed mass. Is there anything I can scrape that out with? It's just horrible stuff, look at that. Can you see it? The hell is that? Well, it's wasted time putting that on. So, if you're going to be economical and run on vegetable oil, you've got to purge your pump out. This pump came off a second-hand engine that I bought from England. Didn't hear it running, and just let that be a warning. If you're going to buy a used engine, let at least hear it running before you get your folding money out, because this is going to cost probably the same amount as I paid for the engine. If I can't salvage it, well, there'll be lots of bits and pieces in there that will be useful. I think the head is going to be pretty much toast. Let me have a look and see if I'll run across and get you it. Because that, it is just gunged up. Look at it, oh my god. But, you know, there's little springs in there that we could use and bits and bobs. I'm going to have a bit of an experiment. I used a paint stripper before, that was kind of effective, so what I'm going to do is I'm sort of having a sneak round with my eyes and seeing if I could find a container that I could just bunk that in with a load of paint stripper and see if it'll clean it up. I shall report back later. Well, the paint stripper seems to be working quite remarkably well, but it's slow. Some of this veg oil in here is incredibly thick. Now, I think this pump is just shot. There's like a wobble plate in there that I don't know, and rollers. Well, they're all pitted, and I think by the time I replace those, it's going to be the price of a pump. It doesn't really matter because I've got a spare one over there, you know, so I can use bits and pieces and make one out of two. Yeah, look at this thing here. Look at that. How did that veg oil get through that filter? I do not know. But obviously it's been stood for a long time and it's been stood on the floor. You can see a level mark here going across where the oil's been in. But it's had humidity into it. It's really bad. I'll salvage some of the bits, but that head, no, I won't be able to get that cleaned up. So there you are, just a little bit of a warning. So, can we make this Land Rover better? No. Or should we say, should we make this pump better? I don't think so. It's too risky. It's too risky. So, bite the bullet. We'll use it for parts. Alright, so we'll talk to you later. Bye.